Okay, we're back here to do just another little episode in this ongoing video blog to show progress of various aspects of the project. And I showed you earlier the first iteration of the all-important carrier for the bike, whether it's this e-bike, another e-bike, or even a pedal bike. If the idea is to use one of these very lightweight vehicles in conjunction with the truck, well, it's so important that this thing work really smooth and easy. So we're experimenting with different ways of getting the bike on and off. This one's a bit improved from the last one. I showed you a drawing actually of what we were going to build, and this is a rough prototype of it. It's way overbuilt, but it's just a proof of concept. So first off, you'll notice that this one does not connect to the bike at the back at all. We've just arranged this with elastic so that the ramp goes up and down like that. Again, very quick and easy. And quite necessary. Most of the bikes that are suitable for this kind of operation are fairly heavy, and a ramp is quite useful. But the main thing is the way we're capturing the bike, the way it's being held on. There's no tie-down straps, there's no funky boots on the front and the back to hold it. The principle here is that it's basically like the shaft of a lathe. Here we have the crank arms on a bottom bracket, and it's being held on both sides by, we've just put in a special nut here to different crank bolt that has a little divot in it. Now this is just a toggle clamp, an off-the-shelf toggle clamp we're using, and well, you can see it's a very stiff one. There we go. Anyway, when you release this will be much smoother in the next iteration. We're designing our own version of the toggle clamp that'll work much easier, but the principle's there. It releases this pin, which in turn releases the bike. So it comes off, you just release it, down she comes, and I flip the ramp back up. Let's just pretend we're going for a little spin. So the cargo bike has done its thing, and we want to get it back on the truck again without any back strain, without any not too much drama. That can be walked straight up like that. Once it's up here, we just kind of orient things, move the crank, whoops, so that it goes in there. Bit of a, like everything is a bit of habit, but you can see very quick and easily. You just put in the cam mechanism here, wrap things together, and this thing is absolutely rock solid. It's way overbuilt, but you can see it's a very quick release on and off, and that's certainly an element that we're going to exploit. We'll be building a new version of this, much lighter weight, probably easier to use, but you can see that this is certainly one element of the tools that will hopefully allow this to be used quite effectively in some delivery applications. Thanks.